mo kakra ni hu sa de ni alone
Ebusuama okaba bion fambra Ghana Asem TV eso Honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah eyi yanom foto pefe enkomo fanyansa kwan so pa akobọ bosia $300 million ni echire almost $400 million ebusuya enye sika ketwa na nkomo de bruafo da Ghana fo na mo de nyansa kwan afa so akobọ sa bosia no na nso onim say the 1988 no adwene mu do nti omo expose omo yenkotie nsema Honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah ede to dwane mbra yewi a ebede hu nkomo
nti facility a won kan hwe but fine on buy no de krata na buy nti finance committee for call me omo hwe mu kakra ni hu sa de ni alone nti omo call back to committee meeting omo ka chom sa de we amode aba na alone na den na mo pese mo sesa din na ka se financing facility ye tena parliament as if it in 1993 debia obeti esi loan agreement aba ne say na nenko NDC aban ba yeah mo say financing facility no problem I know you one number 2 then am dey koye no mo see om de bi betu aka no mo de bi abo ahiafo om de bi behwe or say climate resilience in so to training kika na ade kwan betumi abo ho ban nsem no wonyinan to me report the bar parliament into your call chamber no ho na yen dom kumafo no ye sorry ya ye draw my attention say di kan no facility we loan facility we amode aba na de we amaba mo say financing facility no a loan $360 million busia na mobo
okay
and numbers mo dada obi as a financing facility so na say financing to me a loan yes na can credit say a loan unim de ntia want to me can credit no because why your politics say MPP aban bobesia na besia I say tiana wo buy na e wodin say wo ba parliament a obedi can account for the first time say o first major transaction wo buy only unfa kwan bia transaction buy unfa factory bia transaction buy unfa university bia first one dey buy $360 million loan and na e wodin a wontu minka enti na fi wo say financing facility no na hia say e be kan okre loan ni san say Ohe Public Financial Management Act na fi bia wo say ye report about parliament about ye kai din nyina Sabre ameno ka say 2024 there na say nke by the end of April finance minister on November still no problem but so one kan okre say loan na ye dey say report no be ba na nka ho enti ye boabua sika no akotua ye ka bon say bosia we akobon enye den nka ho enunti de hu hia say ubejai sa propaganda ne settings ne tricks na ayo de no no aka no kre say we ye besia na wo bon $360 million
ebusuya aya Ghana Asem TV ya sama wakwa biom otin sema Honorable Kojo Oppong Nkrumah de to dwa no you see NDC for enam propaganda omo ye opposition na say ne omo si kan sem say aban no na oteso sa amre no e the extra MPP government abobosia no enunti omo ba yom ko bobosia mpo no farire ni owuo ene nim guase enti mako hide brofofufu achi e de be scam yen but no monim say the mighty 88 is watching omo nim say the mighty 88 is watching and you see how they have been disgraced we say what the propaganda on say what the be obi bia e be du be no sa esa na wotwaye no e be kwa ba sa ma betia wo yes because you know say sometimes no govern your mind na oye this our mind Ghana fe na oye developing country a wo no hu say dan say won so yi a to de bia kwaje mmoa efiri amanfo nye ne e be start fiti kwa me kuma penso what I say so ayana to de bia no your politics na munye clean like no my want say what me propaganda na akwa na ababetia wo a ababetia wo e wo bia wo no na afedi who hide behind different things wa brand kan yes say ne wo ye ya ka bit me very simple what I say na the emi yakwa ne scan ko ebusan tom ko ye den a and na mo de bi ko ye research and na climate change ni $300 million ni echire you don't even have a good purpose for borrowing such amount of money not even a good purpose. It's like now also no be papa bi am require akwan hospital schools. Okay, and it makes sense. But listen to what you guys are saying down this kind of way. Research, climate change, what you call water, and then you know the things that you guys were saying, it doesn't add up. And if you tell you say, I'm for you some because I'm more Bob Bosia, Edio Monum. Because I name I'm okay, bro. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. What did I say? Make it make sense. See, let's be real and tell ourselves the truth for once. As Ghanaians, we shouldn't sit there for people to use their mind for us every time. Sometimes let's reason and put our particulars aside and reason as Ghanaians for once. How can you go and borrow amount of $350 million plus for these reasons? For these reasons, and even hiding the truth from Ghanaians that own person changing the word to make it look like it's something different, not knowing say Busia na Wakakoji. And you think you will not know? You think you will not find out? Your mind, you think we are not going to find out? Honestly speaking, are you guys serious? Or you think the 1988 is just sitting at the parliament and looking at you people to do anything that you want because you have the numbers or what? Is that what you people think? Because I want to understand. I don't know who is deceiving you people and who is lying to you people. Say yeah, because you have the numbers, you can do whatever you want. You guys are just kidding and playing around. Just joking. Just joking. But there is more to come. There is more to come. And you are going to match you people boot for boot. That one is going to happen. Exp0se Ghana Asem TV. Better was to boss here. Now tell you. Teacher training for Aban Papa Ba.
My Oyebi Pa teacher training is a continue video. You say 1 hot meal. Another dog for follow. I'm 2 meal 3 times 3 square meals in a day. I was going to me. I'm 1 hot meal. I was 1 hot meal now. Okay, and you. Deeper 10 a day and a year. 10. The king can leave. And it will see. I can't Monte. I'm a politicizing 1 hot meal.
Eyezu abusuya na waje so say eyeza aban papa aba ama na aduane na mamo 3 times a day no aban papa so mamo once a day eno kra no enamo nsanda so na dey mu ye prison fo ana mu ye prison fo mo ye hu why eyezu na waje so say eyeza